For this, let's pick a video template and let's go over to this left pane. You see here it says generate videos instantly. Let's click on that and it will open this pane for you to upload your media, but we'll be choosing these three photos here to generate our video. It will ask you to describe the kind of design you want to generate the video for, and ours is to introduce LA, who encourages kids to learn the letter E. Let's click on generate to generate our video. You see here the text is covering his face. We'll move that out and position it where we want it to be. You can look at the top here to see what kind of animation was added to the text. You can change that if you want to. You can come back and go in between the pages and to see what kind of transition was used. If you can see there is music added to it. You can also go to page 2. Let's change the color of this text to be the same color with this one on page 1. Let's go change the font to white and we'll change the background color, which is on under effect, to green color, which is the same thing on page 1. We'll go over to page 3 and move the text out of the boy's face, and we can still hover around to see what we need to touch on. If you don't like the position of the music, you can adjust it. You can click on each page to see what animation it has. Page 3 has photo zoom. You can see the transitions. You can change what transition you want to use. You can just adjust it to fit your need. Let's come back and preview that. How is that? Yeah.